Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening a fresh Colab notebook and locating the zip file. Mount Drive if you prefer persistent storage. This avoids repeated uploads. You can also use the Colab upload widget for quick, temporary access. Once done, make sure to confirm the exact file path shown in the file browser or drive mount. This matters because later commands act on that path. You'll use unzip commands and Python code, so keep the runtime set to Python 3 and enable a GPU only if you need faster processing. You now upload and extract the zip. If you used files, upload, Python returns file names you can reference immediately. If you mounted Drive, navigate to the zip under /content/drive/my-drive. Execute the shell unzip command so Colab extracts directly into /content or a drive folder. Once done, list files with ls let verify contents. Make sure to set paths consistently in later cells. Inconsistent paths are the common source of errors when loading datasets into data pipe. You finish by loading extracted files into your chosen library, for example, pandas. Read CSV or TF. Dataset. Use explicit paths you verified earlier and relative paths when possible. Once done, test a small read to confirm formatting and encoding. If things go wrong, make sure to remount Drive and rerun the unzip step. Sometimes Colab disconnects and removes temporary files. Also check file permissions and runtime restarts. Rerunning the cell sequence typically resolves missing file issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.